We are going to see now in-text questions from structure of the atom. So first thing you can notice here we are having a two questions. So this is very important. So what are canal rays? So we all know canal rays means what is to called anode rays or cathode rays. Canal rays. Canal rays are called it as. All of you? Yes, please. Anode rays or also we can call it as what is to call canal rays. Okay, so because anode rays will pass through the perforated cathode. Perforated cathode holes which are called by canals by the gold stain. So that is the reason they are called it as what are canal rays? Anode rays are called it as canal rays. Anode rays are called it as canal rays. So why? That experiment you might be remember. Do you remember the experiment? Please respond guys. Discovery of protons. Yes or no? So your book also somewhere it is there. Canal rays is called it as anode rays. Anybody? Any one of you? So who has discovered the anode rays? Anyone? Who is the discovered the anode rays? Anybody? Goldstein. So if somebody says something, please don't make it. So a new radiations in a gas discharge are called them as canal rays. These rays were positively charged radiations, which ultimately led to the discovery of another subatomic particle. This subatomic particle has a charge equal in magnitude but opposite in size, sign to that of the electron. So that is why so canal rays means also we can call it as a what? Everybody. Cathode ray, anode rays. So already while teaching time, all the names also have been mentioned. So please note that. Next, second question. If an atom contains one electron and one proton, will it carry any charge or not? They are asking. So is it carry any charge? Everybody. Number of electrons is equals to number of protons. Answer, otherwise not necessary to attend the class. Number of electrons is equals to number of protons. Does you all should tell me. Is it any charge? So both charge is amount of charge is equal and opposite. So what is the overall charge? The resultant charge will be what, guys? What is the resultant charge? All of you. The resultant charge will be what?
Neutral.
Neutral. Zero. So that's why we will say so one no, the atom will be neutral. What is the reason? So the equal amount of negative charge and equal amount of positive charge. The net resultant, the resultant charge will be zero. That is what you have to remember. Clear everybody? Nobody is there in the meeting? Many people are there, correct? Mr. Pranav, that's all. So if an atom contains one electron and one proton, or 10 electron and 10 proton, or 100 electron and 100 protons, the overall charge is zero. What we say is, here also you have, the negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude, so the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Electrically neutral. That is only the major point of Mr. Thomson. Okay, so that is what you have to remember it. Please make it. Any doubt, please let me know. Good morning, Mari. Next, in text questions. Three are there. On the basis of Thomson's model of an atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. Just now I told. What is that? According to Thomson model, same point you have to write it. What is the point? The amount of negative charge, according to the Thomson model, the embedded electrons, first point and second point, the positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. They are actually equal in magnitude. So that is why it is actually electrically neutral. So that is only the net charge on the atom is zero. That is what is said by Mr. Thomson. Okay. Okay, Sam, you work. That's what you have to remember. Okay, everybody. Next, On the basis of Rutherford's model of an atom, which subatomic particle is present in the nucleus of an atom? Anybody? Answer, please. I want response from the people. Which subatomic particle is present according to the Rutherford? Center, guys. By the time no discovery of protons, neutrons. So who is there? Center. Rutherford atomic model. At the center, who is there?
Protons.
Protons.
That is only. Rutherford model means immediately your mind should say discovery of what?
Protons.
Discovery of protons, not. Discovery of what?
Nucleus.
Nucleus. That is important. Please remember. Rutherford model is the discovery of nucleus, not protons. Protons is discovered by Goldstein. That is what? Eugen Goldstein. So next. Draw a sketch of Bohr's model of an atom with three shells. Three shells you have to draw sketch. So here you have a four shells. You have to draw three cells. That is what up to, we all know first shell. What is the name of the first shell? K. Second cell is L. Third cell is M. So they are asking only three cells. You should draw three cells. Sir, I will draw four cells means not. So you have to draw only three. If they are asked four, four, three, two, two. One only one. So that is what is the answer. Next, what do you think would be the observation of the alpha particle scattering experiment is carried out using a foil of a metal other than gold, they are asking. Suppose other than gold, if you have been taken like platinum or the silver, you can see if you take the like a gold, if you take a platinum or silver and all, they are also same like a gold, like heavy metals there. So that the result will be same like a gold. But if you take a light metals, clear? So light metals, if you have been taken, so maybe because of the alpha particles are very, very heavy in size, so they will knock out the nucleus and they may be not returned back or deflected. That is the answer. So you have to write it very, very, this is the one of the most important question. Everybody write the answer. I'll say, right. If alpha particle experiment is carried out with other metals, if alpha particles experiment is carried out with other metals, that is like heavy, that is heavy metals like platinum, heavy metals like platinum or silver, then experiment may be same, almost same as that with gold. But if lighter metals, are taken, then the alpha particles are heavier or lighter? Alpha particles, please respond. Alpha particles are what? 4 units, He2 plus. What is atomic mass? Everybody, 4U. Is it right or wrong, guys? Everybody? So atomic mass of helium, HEM, He2 plus is 4U. They are heavy particles. So if you have been taken a light metals, then these helium particles may collide the nucleus and they may be not returned back. That is what you have to remember. Like imagine one big truck is going to collide with a small bicycle person. So what will happen? The truck will never be back. It will be pass, overcross him, and it will be takes place. But if you have taken a gold and like heavy particles of helium 2 plus, gold atom also very big, heavy metal, and helium also heavy size. So if they will collide, so it will shows the deflection back. So that is what is the reason. So write it. But if the lighter metals are taken, the alpha particles may knock out, may knock out, knock out the nucleus, knock out the nucleus, and they may be, and they may not be returned. They may be not returned back or deflected. Or deflected. That is what is the answer. Clear, everybody? Understand? Shivani, Niroshi, any doubt, please let me know. So that is what. So what will happen if you take any other heavy metals, same you can notice it. Almost the similar phenomena, similar deflections, similar deviations. But if you have been taken a lighter metals, definitely you can notice the not exact results of this experiment. So we cannot notice the exact results of like this. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, guys, please respond, guys. All of you understand? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Okay, that is what. Next. Name the three subatomic particles of an atom. What is the three subatomic particles, everybody? Electrons, protons, and
Neutrons.
neutrons. Next. Helium atom has an atomic mass of 4U. Two protons in its nucleus. How many neutrons does it have? Anybody? How many neutrons, Amma? Atomic mass is 4. Man, you don't know this also. You should tell. Atomic mass is 4. Number of protons are 2. So means what is the number of neutrons equals to? Atomic mass minus atomic number, which is equals to 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. That's all. So 2, yeah, 2 neutrons. Everybody need to join on time. You cannot join after 10 minutes, 15 minutes and all. People are coming slowly, joining lately. What is this? Make it fast. Clear, everyone? Next. Write the write the distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atoms. So carbon atomic number, tell me, everybody. What is the carbon atomic number, all of you? Carbon atomic number, Serial.
6.
6.
6.
Sodium atomic number,
11.
11.
11.
They're asking electron distribution. So what is the carbon atomic number? 2, 2, 4, K and L. Here, 2, 8, 1,
8,1.
K, L, M. Here valence shell is M, and here what is the valence shell?
L.
L. Do it. Next. If K and L shell of an atom are full, then what would be the total number of electrons in the atom? Anybody? K shell and L shell are completely full. So means K shell, what is the maximum capacity? Everybody.
2.
K shell, what is the maximum capacity? Everyone.
2.
2. L shell, what is the maximum capacity?
8.
8.
So it is completely filled. So that 2 plus 8, which is equals to what?
10.
10. So what is that?
10.
What is that element? Anybody can identify? Neon. Neon gas. Noble gas. Am I right or wrong? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do it. Make it fast. Completed, everybody? Prithvi, late. Do it fast. Love you. Yes. So next question. Answer this one. How will you find the valence of a chlorine, sulfur, and magnesium? So how will you find, guys? So we all knows that. What is that, everybody? Chlorine. What is that? Maximum number of electrons, and we know how will you find the valences? Atomic number. Chlorine atomic number is how much? Fastly tell me.
17.
Chlorine atomic
17.
number is 17. So 17 means what is that? 2, 8, 7. KLM. So what is the number of electrons? Valence electrons? 7. So what is the valency?
1.
8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Next, sulfur. What is atomic number? Sulfur. Sulfur
16.
atomic number 16. So that 2, 8, 6 KLM. So what is the valency? 8
2.
minus 6, which is equals to how much? Everybody?
2.
2. Next, last, magnesium. What is the magnesium, mama?
12.
Number of magnesium? 12. So KLM. So 2, 8, 2. So what is the number of electrons? Valence electrons
2.
are 2. So valence also how much, amma?
2.
Valence also 2 only. So everybody do it, everybody. Make it fast. Till here, complete fastly. 1 minute. Completed, everybody? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make it fast. Next. If number of electrons in an atom is 8, if number of electrons in an atom is 8, then the number of protons also 8. We all knows that in any atom, number of electrons is equals to what, guys? Number of
Number of protons.
protons. Ion is not. Ion is not same. So in an atom, always number of electrons equals to number of protons. That is we all know, already knows. Now what is the question? What is the atomic number of an atom and what is the charge of an atom? So what is the atomic number? Number of
8.
protons. 8 means atomic number is also 8. What is the charge? Number of electrons equals to protons. So what is the charge? No charge. You understanding? So it is a what charge? The net charge is 0. Net charge is 0. So that atom is a what? Atom is a what, guys?
Neutral.
Neutral. So the net charge will be 0. You should write it. Net charge. Net charge will be 0. Is it okay, everybody? Clear? All of you, Mr. Nivedan, Niroshi. Understand, everybody? So in an atom,
Yes,
number
sir.
of protons and number of neutrons are always equal. So net charge is always 0. That is what you have to remember it. Make it fast. Any doubt, please let me know. We'll continue. Next. With the help of a table 4.1, find out the mass number of an oxygen and sulfur atom. 4.1, we no need also we can find it. So what is the oxygen mass number? Oxygen, atomic mass ra? Oxygen
8.
atomic mass, 8. Atomic number is 8. Atomic mass,
16, sir.
16 U.
16.
And sulfur, sulfur atomic mass, 32 U. You
32.
can find 4.1 tabular column. Oxygen, mass number. What is the mass? Mass number means what? Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons plus neutrons. How much? 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, how much
16.
number? 16. Sulfur. Sulfur you can see. 16 plus 16. Protons plus neutron. How much?
32.
32. Okay. So that is what. Make it. Because we all knows that atomic mass means what? Mass number or atomic mass equals to number of neutrons, number of protons plus number of neutrons. That is what we says. Atomic number plus number of neutrons. That is what you have to remember. We no need to find valency, girl. Valency is 0, correct? Valency is 0 because 8 electrons. 8 electrons and 8 protons means valency is 0. Do you understand? Valency they are not asking. Net charge. Net is what? 0. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, valency means you can say it is a 2, 6. See, valency is 8 minus 6, which is equals to 2. They are not asking that. Don't worry about it. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, what they are asking only you find it. Next. For the symbol HDT, tablet 3 subatomic particles found in each of them. So we all knows that. What is that actually? H means the symbol. Symbol for protium is H. Please note it. Symbol for protium is H. D for what? Everybody. Deuterium. And T for what? T for what?
Tritium.
Tritium. Okay. So you have to write it very neatly. So what is atomic number? All three, what is atomic number? All
1.
three, what is atomic number?
1.
1. All three, you can see, Emma. All three, they have name it also they have given. Namely, protium, H11, deuterium, H21, tritium, H31. Symbols you can see. Symbol for hydrogen, protium is H only. Deuterium, D. Tritium, T. So note it, everybody. So that is what. So here, what is the number of protons? Totally. Number of protons are 1. Number of neutrons, how many? 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Here, number of neutrons, 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. Here, number of neutrons, 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. So, no neutrons. Am I right, guys? First one, all of you? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, please make it. Any doubt, you please ask me. Make it fast. Clear, everybody? Kavya, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Second question. Write the electronic configuration of any one pair of isotopes and isobars. Very good question it is. Please note it. Very, very important. Okay. So that is what? Isotopes. Isotopes means what, guys? Same number, same element or different element. Isotopes.
Element.
Element, same element.
Same element.
Let us take the best one is a chlorine. Chlorine 1735 and the next one is what? Chlorine
1737.
37. So they're asking electronic configuration. So we all knows that chlorine, what is atomic number? Atomic number of
7.
chlorine, 17. So 2, 8, 7 over KLM. Next, isobars. Isobars means you have to take 2 examples. What is that? Best example, I already told you. Argon, 1840. Next one, calcium 2040. Okay. That is what. So let us write now. Argon. So what is argon atomic number? Everybody? Argon
18.
atomic number 18 means what? 2, comma 8, comma 8. Am I right? Agalya? KLM. Next, calcium. Calcium atomic number, tell me. Everybody. I have already given you. 20 and 40. Calcium atomic number?
20.
20. So what will happen? 2, comma 8, comma 8, comma 2. KLMN. Please note it. KLMN. That is what it is. All of you clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Yes, do it. Make it fast. Pranav, understand completed? Sam? Make it fast. Next. Over. So this is what is all about the in-text questions. So exercise questions, I think all the questions we completed. Am I right, Ra? Any question left? Anybody? All the questions we already answered. Am I right, guys? Yes, please. So please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
So now let us comes to the questions. This is what NCERT examplers. So the first question which we are going to see is MCQ. So which of the following correctly represents the electronic distribution in the Mg atom? What is Mg atom, everyone? What is Mg atom? Mg means what?
Magnesium.
Magnesium. So what is the magnesium atomic number? Anybody?
12.
12. That is the first thing you need to know. So magnesium atomic number is 12. So what is the electron distribution?
2, 8, 2.
8, comma 2. So KLM. So that's all. So 2, 8, 2. What is the correct option? Option
B.
B. So make it. Next. Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment resulted in to discovery of what? Electrons, protons, nucleus in the atom or atomic mass. Anybody? Rutherford
Nucleus
means
in the atom.
immediately you have to remember one thing. I already told you in the many times I told you, now again I'm saying. Nucleus may immediate. Rutherford means the first point you should remember is what? Everyone. Yes, please. Nucleus.
Nucleus.
Rutherford discovered the nucleus only. Clear, everyone? All of you?
Sir.
Mr. Mari Lingesh, that
Yes,
is
sir.
next. The number of electrons in an X is 15 and the number of neutrons is 16. Then which of the following is the correct representation of the element? See, atom in an element. So number of in an element, we all knows that number of electrons is always equals to something. Anybody tell me number of?
Number of protons.
Number of protons. So protons is actually what? Atomic number. So the X is the symbol of an element. Atomic number. Here 15 electrons means 15 protons. So 15 protons. Now they have given neutrons are 16. So that we all knows that atomic mass or mass number. Mass number is equals to what? Atomic number plus number of neutrons. So 15 plus 16, which is equals to how much, Ra?
31.
31. So what is the correct option representing? Correct option representing anybody? Yes? Option?
Okay.
Option A. Okay. Option B, atomic number is wrong. This all you can see is wrong. So that's why option A. Okay, wa? Everybody clear? Yes, please. Yeah. Any doubt, please let me know or else we'll proceed. If you're okay, we'll do it. Okay, guys? Next. Dalton's atomic theory successfully explained. All the Dalton's theory, you have to remember it. If not, it is not easy. So Dalton's theory successfully explained about what? Anybody? Dalton's theory. Law of conservation of mass, law of constant composition, law of radioactivity, law of multiple proportion. So what is that? Dalton's theory will speak about law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, law of multiple proportion. This multiple proportion you will learn in 11th class. Class 11th it will come. See, law of law of we are having chapter number 2 only two laws. What is that? One is law of conservation of mass and another one is what? Law of constant composition. But law of multiple proportion you will study in the class 11. So totally three laws will come. So that is what it is. So it will speaks about only 1, 2, and 4. No radioactivity it has been discovered. So option D is the correct one. So make it fast, everybody. Any doubt, please let me know. Clear, guys? All of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Which of the following statements about Rutherford's model of an atom are correct? Rutherford model. You tell me and I will say that. Is it right or wrong? Rutherford model. So we all know Rutherford. We have studied that. Consider the nucleus as positively charged. Established the alpha particles are 4 times as heavy as hydrogen atoms. Can be compared to solar system. Was in agreement with the Thomson model. Is it? What is the correct option? Yes, please. Consider the nucleus as positively charged. Is it true or not? Everybody. Yes? Yes. Then he designed the helium particle, but it is not 4 times as heavier than hydrogen. Next, can be compared to the solar system. I told you or not? Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. He has told or not? Everybody. That also we have been
Yes, sir.
drawn also. Yes. So what is the correct answer? Option 1 and 1 and 3,
3.
which is actually option A. Next, which of the following is true about an element? What is that? See that. Atomic number, number of protons plus number of electrons. No. Mass number, number of protons plus number of neutrons. Yes. Atomic mass, mass number same only. Number of protons equals to number of neutrons. No. Atomic number, number of protons which is equals to number of electrons. Yes. Because in an atom, always number of electrons equals to what? Number of protons. But ion and atom will get confused. That's the reason we people cannot take electrons generally. But you can take if it is atom, atomic number, electrons also we can say is atomic number. So what is the correct options? 2 and 4. So what is the 2 and 4 matching option? Everybody?
D.
Option D. So hope you all understand, guys. Please respond. All of you understanding?
Yes.
Yes, so questions are everything logical mind, so you have to answer it without Like what we can say is you must have a complete awareness of the concepts. Otherwise, it's not easy. In Thomson model of an atom, which of the following statements are correct? Start reading first statement, everybody.